you guys turn around. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Here.
So ano, sabi nung ni Pat, yung nakausap ko, million years ago ito. Dating ocean daw to. Tapos itong rocks formation na to, nag-show up daw. Yan, mga 100 years, mga estimated na gano'n. At dito yung dating ano, bandang baba, dating RCMP ano daw, camp. So babasahin natin, nandito yung ano, may nakasulat dito, ito. Okay. Preserve our heritage, Roche Percee. So ito yan, no. The outcropping in this area belong to the Rebensor AJ geological information. Rock layers of different hardness were eroded by wind and water into unusual shapes, which generation of engines generated and covered with petroglyphs, symbolic rocks carvings. And one of the outstanding formation was the art known as the Roche Percee, hence the name of the town. Early Western travelers came great distance to see the first rock, leaving their initial but more recent carvings have obliterated much of the work of both Indians and explorers. Although time has dealt harshly with this formation, one can still hear the wind whistling through the strange crevices and facades. So what is that again? Which one?
The leaves of tree. All of these, all the red that's all turning red now.
Oh,
See
okay.
the 3 leaves?
Yep.
Poison ivy.
Oh.
All in there too, like look. It should. But we haven't measured it.
Kelly. What kind of tree is this one? What kind? Spruce?
I think
What?
it's birch.
Oh, okay. Not familiar with that. So there's over there.
Yep.
So ito yung cave. Ayan. So how far is it? How far is it?
Just to here, can you see me?
Yeah. How far?
I don't know. I've never measured it. I really haven't.
Oh, you just turn around?
Yeah, no, we can go out here.
Okay. Where's ECJ? Okay. Oh. Yeah, wow.
Yeah, she's doing awesome.
Yeah. Be. Nice. Wow.
Yeah, it's cool, isn't it?
Yeah, and even here. It's a cave ito. Nag-i-enjoy si CJ ng ano sa dog ni Pat. Yan yung si Kelly. He's enjoying with the dog. Yan. Wow. To. Medyo ano guys, malawak din pala to. Ayan. Ayan. May nagsulat yan 1960. Ayan. Okay. She's enjoying with your dog.
And Taylor's just out
Yeah, yeah.
Aren't you such a good girl?
We're lucky that we have you here today.
Good.
Like you're our tourist guide. Right? Yeah. Yeah. Say again Philippines. Say hi to Philippines again.
Hi, Philippines. Have a nice day.
Oh, wow. They will happy once they see this video. Yeah.
Yeah. But
Okay.
and Canada.
Canada.
And
Yeah.
the States, of course.
You don't like Asian country?
Well, I'd love
Yeah,
to
it's too
go.
far, eh? It's
I'd
too
love
far.
to
Yeah.
go.
Yeah.
Oh, boy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'd love to go
Yeah.
to Japan.
So it's a good timing. You're approaching there and walking around, and we see you. Yeah. What is that? Oh, careful. See, Pe, look at that. So you need to be careful there. See? Yeah. So I've been there, eh? Big rocks. Yeah.
You've probably been down here before.
Just over here in this other side. Yeah, before. But there, yeah.
And that's a very,
What's that? See, there's a carp also here. They engraved the name.
Yes, do you see any years?
No years. And over there. Over here. See? Yan, may tumutong kahoy dyan sa gitna. What? Yan, may mga biris. Also over there. Yan, may mga bunga. Yan. What is this? What's this? Is that berries or what? It's wild, eh? Wild berries or what? Ito. ganda dito. Cute dito. Yan.
Imagine a
Oh, yeah.
deer stepping on this.
Hmm.
Oh.
Yan, ano tayo? Bukit. Uragon. Uragon. Bukit to. Uragon. Iski TV. Yeah. Old car. Yeah.
More trees.
Oh, okay. How come this car got here? How they got here?
I don't know the story.
So they carry it? They carry it up to here?
I bet you they drove it here.
They drove it?
But it's been here since the 60s.
Oh, since from there, eh? Drove over there.
I'm sure it's been here in the 1960s.
1960s? Oh, wow. It's too old.
That's weird. Yeah.
Yup. Imagine 1960.
That makes it so
Really? Oh, let's go. A river over there.
She's having fun with you.
That again, what do you call?
Karen.
Karen?
C-A-I-R-N. Karen.
Yeah. So they built it there?
Yeah.
Very long time?
Yeah. It's been there since 66 or 60. I think it was for staff centennial.
Oh, okay. I thought it's a foundation of what do you call that?
It
They used to
looks
put a flagpole or what?
And there was usually a flag up.
Oh, flag, right? Okay. Or I thought it was yeah.
Centennial?
I thought it was a lighthouse before, like there's a light.
Yeah, no, but you're right. It does look like it could be a lighthouse.
Yeah, because because you said it was ocean before, right here.
Celebrate.
Yeah, million years.
Oh,
Yeah.
millions.
Yeah.
Yes, millions.
Okay.
Yeah. You goof. Yeah,
Say again, so that people in the Philippines.
Hi, Philippines. I wish I could see your beautiful country.
Oh,
I'll bring
yeah.
my friend Torito. Or maybe she'll bring me. Ray and Torito Meneses. That's their names. They live in Saskatchewan.
Saskatoon now. Oh, okay.
Yeah. And Torito was a nurse too, so
Nurse? Oh,
we
okay.
worked together. Oh
Yeah.
my gosh, we had fun. Oh,